Hey guys, it's Queenteshna here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial because I'm trying out some new products. I went to Superdrugs and I picked up some stuff from Revolution, including this eyeshadow palette and like some new lashes and basically a bunch of makeup stuff, and I wanted to kind of test out the Revolution palette, so I thought let me just film a quick makeup tutorial. To speed things along, I'm going to go ahead and do my base, and yeah, I'm just going to do my base off camera and then come back on and then just kind of focus on the eyes a bit. Hey guys, so I'm back and my face is already beat, so the only thing I'm going to do now is my eyeshadow and do my lips. I haven't touched this palette before. First time using it, and this is what the colours are looking like. I also purchased some lashes from Ardell and I got a few of these. Let me show you. So I got a bunch of lipstick from Revolution and they actually just came in like a small packet and comes like 5 in a pack, which I think is really affordable, and they're meant to dry matte. So I opted for darker shades, so these I'll swatch them for you before I decide which one I'm going to use. So I'm not sure which eye look I'm going to do, guys. I'm actually going to wing it today and I'm excited to just see what I come up with. So starting off, I'm going to be using the burgundy colour Lust. Well, it's like a burgundy colour, like a deep burgundy here, and I'm actually going to use that for the outer corner of my eye. This really comes off, like you have to be really careful not to knock it off. Wow, look at that. This palette is really messy, guys. Really messy. And my eye, I already have concealer on my eye, so I'm using that as my base. Okay, so I'm just gonna add that. Ooh, to see. I'm gonna blend that out a little bit more. I'm gonna add some more and then, you know, blend. Okay, so now that's blended, I think I'm gonna go in with Influence, which is this color here. But I'm gonna just add it to the outer corner as well, just slightly on the inside. And like I said, I don't know what look I'm going for yet. I'm just kind of playing around in makeup. Okay, so here. Okay, you can't really see it that much. Okay, so I'm just adding that in the crease as well, but just slightly below where I put Lust. Okay, so let me go back in with my blending brush again. I'm just gonna blend that in. I think I'm gonna go in with Relentless, which is this color here, and I'm gonna add that onto my eyelid. I'm gonna use my fingers because you never know. The only thing I don't like about this palette, it's so easy to fall out. The products are just so almost flimsy. All right, let's see. Ooh, okay. All right, I see you. Next color I'm gonna add is Rebound, which is like a soft pink. I think I'm gonna go in and add it just right here. Ooh, okay, all right. This is quite bright. Yeah, I'm gonna add glitter, a little bit of glitter on top. I'm sticking with my fingers now because, you know, when I'm testing new palettes, I don't wanna mess up my makeup. All right, so let us see how this looks. Ooh. Ooh. All right, give me a bit of life. Yes. Okay, so it's not too loud. What I like about using my fingers is I can kind of control the products, especially if they tend to fall out as well, because this product does fall out and kind of messes up the rest of your makeup. Okay, so the last one I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use Breaking Point, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna add that in my kind of corners of my eyes, just right here. Finally, I'm gonna go back over and just kind of blend, give it one last blend. I'm gonna use Passion, this color right here, as a transition color. So I'm gonna add Innovate here as my under eye color here. Okay, so I think that's it. I'm gonna add some eyeliner, and this eyeliner is from All this eyeliner is actually from Revolution as well. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to put my lashes on, and these are the Ardell Wispies. Guys, so I've added the eyelashes on the wrong eyes, if that makes sense. This is meant to be on this and, you know, vice versa. Can you tell? Like, I'm not taking them off. Yeah, I realized when I was adding the second one, I was like, oh crap. So anyways, I'm gonna put some mascara on and just kind of finish up the whole look. Okay, to finish up the look, I'm gonna add some jumbo eye pencil under my waterline. You don't have to do that, but I'm just extra, I just want to see. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my highlighter just in the inner corners of my eyes. This stuff is just extra, you don't have to do any of this stuff, but why not? Because makeup is meant to be played around with. So I'm just going back with my Fenty Beauty Highlight Hustler Baby, the one I used in my previous video. You can see I'm just gonna add, and lastly, just a little bit underneath here. Okay guys, let's move on to the lips. My battery died, so I had to wait it out. Alright, so from Revolution, I picked up 5 different lipsticks that came in the pack. So this is what all 5 shades look like. I'm gonna try the purple one just because I want to see how it looks, and if it doesn't look nice, then I'll switch to the pink. I'm gonna go in and line my lips with the NYX purple lip pencil, and this is called Purple Blaze. Okay, so finish off, I'm gonna go in and add my finishing spray from Maybelline. Ooh. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. What do you think? I really like the lipstick, it's quite nice.